Hello guys, welcome once again. Today I want to show you how to create superpower effect on live action footage. So let's start. Select your footage, press Ctrl D to duplicate and right click right here, map. And select map layer, go to effect, apply loop flow effect. So first change across base point into 30 and go to loop flow, turn on, set to 4 and go to mask 1. Before going to mask 1, let's create mask on footage. Select pen tool and click here once, click here and once again here. Let's control a little bit like this. Select again your layer and create. Control your mask like this. Control and control. Okay guys, and now select again the layer and go to mask 1. Apply mask 1 and go to mask 2. Select mask 2 and go to animation and go to animation across the speed there, animation speed noise. Yeah, expand this. So right here the fit or fixed rates like 200 and right here 618, right here 17 and hold alt, click here. So right time star 10. Okay, let's play now and select again map. So let's apply box blur effect, double click and make 4, then turn off. Right click, create a new adjustment layer and apply effect displacement map. Double click and go to first layer, select map layer and go to source, select effects and map. So change displacement rate into 1600 and now play. Not bad. Let's apply the power. Let's create the color of the power. Select again the map, hold Ctrl D to duplicate and right click, change name to color. So right color, then select, turn on, make isolate. First select box blur to cut and turn off show background, go to loop flow, turn off and go to distortion noise, make change, hold shift, make more rate. Play now. Not bad. And go to displacement map, make little bit down, play. Not bad. And select again the layer, apply colorama, double click and go to colorama, output cycle, apply the golden one. So if you need to change the colors, select, double click, make little bit brighter, double click, make more brighter, okay, and double click, make orange color, okay. And now select color, Ctrl+V, paste the box blur and make 2.5. right here below effect, then double click, make glow like this. So if you need to apply, once again double click here to make more brighter. Looking good. Let's play now. So let's change little bit noise, the scale. Make rates. Let's play again. Press space. Good. Turn off isolate and change to add. Let's play now. Once again. So there is the power. Select again and double click on glow effect. Make more brighter. So if you need to change the color of the power, so write HUE, double click, change from here. Play again. Not bad. Let's change to fire effect. Play again. Harris. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about how to create superpower effect on live action footage. Thanks for watching. Have a good time. Good luck, all of you.